In this video, we will check out the status between Pro earbuds. But because there is so much hype around them being a true audiophile earbud, we will be comparing them against the Beoplay EQ, which to me are the best sounding consumer earbuds in the market right now. So let's see how good is the status earbuds. Let's first start off with the price. The status between Pro earbuds cost between $150 to $170 which is almost $200 less than the Beoplay EQ. But the main problem is that there is a big lead time for the delivery on the Status Pro earbuds. My unit arrived almost 4 weeks late, so if you want to buy them, then you might have to wait a little longer. Out of the box, the Status Between Pro earbuds come with some documentation, a easy to follow user manual, one small USB-C cable for charging, and 4 sets of extra ear tips in different sizes. The case is a little chunky in size than I usually like my earbuds to be, but they are on the lighter side than most earbuds, so carrying them around will not be a problem. Plus the magnets holding the earbuds in its cradle are very strong, so you do not have to worry about the earbuds to just randomly pop out. In terms of design of the case, the Status Between Pro earbuds have a matte black finish with a very boxy look. They have carried that boxy look on the earbuds as well, which has a duotone finish. The best thing is that there is no branding on them, which gives them a very minimalistic look, which I absolutely love. One minor complaint is that because of the way the earbuds are resting on the case, they are not that easy to pick out. But it does way better in the water resistance department by being IPX5 rated, which is better than IP54 rating on the Beoplay EQ. And in terms of comfort and fit, the soft silicone earbuds slide into the ear canals very straightforward, but you then need to twist it to position it at almost 45 degrees angle so that the fit is more tight. I took them out for a run today and they caused no problem. The earbud stayed in its place the whole time without me having to fix its position. I also like the fact that there is no issues with my ears warming up or any sorts of wear fatigue. So this puts the Status Between Pro earbuds right up there with the best of the best like the Beoplay EQ. The Status Between Pro earbuds have an impressive battery life of 12 hours on the earbuds and 36 hours on the case. This of course depends on how you are using them, but nevertheless it is more than most of the earbuds out there. However, they do lack fast charging and wireless charging, which are available on other earbuds on the same price category. The Status Between Pro earbuds have physical controls, which is great because most of the time touch controls on such a tiny surface can cause issues with accurate registration of a command. But the placement of the physical controls is in such a weird place that it is kind of difficult to reach for the button. But whenever I managed to reach for it, I was able to control volume, change tracks, and call the voice assistant very fast and with a good degree of accuracy. The Status Between Pro earbuds connect via the latest Bluetooth 5.2 technology and supports the SBC, AAC, and aptX codec, which is similar to the Beoplay EQ. But it does not have multi-point connectivity and it also has a very small Bluetooth range, which is not good. If I step a few feet away from my phone, then the earbuds start to lose its connection. There is no noise cancellation on the Status Between Pro earbuds, so you will have to rely on how good they fit on your ears for some passive noise cancellation. Now I do not have to look at flagship earbuds to find ANC. There are other earbuds from Edifier and Nothing which offers ANC at a similar price point. So the biggest hype about the Status Between Pro earbuds is its triple drivers on each of the earbuds, which is supposed to give you audiophile level sounds. Now here is the thing. The equalizer is not flat or neutral like the AirPods Pro, or neither is it bass heavy like the Sony XM4, but it is highly sculpted, meaning it has been tuned so that you get a good kick out of your bass and the lead instruments sound strong and forward and the treble sounds very warm. While this sound signature is really good, it will not fit the bill if you are looking for accuracy. But that is an area where the Beoplay EQ shines the most. They are not the most loudest or the boomiest earbuds you will hear, but they are incredibly sharp and precise. And another drawback of the Status earbuds is that it does not have a graphic equalizer that you can tune, which could have solved for the sculpted sound. But since it is not there, we will never know. So I guess the question is, if this is an audiophile level headphone. I would say no, only since you have got products like Beoplay EQ or even the Edifier Neobuds Pro in a budget range, all of which sounds good and has a customizable equalizer. But nevertheless, the Status Between Pro sounds awesome. It definitely gives the Sony, Bose and Apple a run for their money, and I personally am very happy to see how wide the soundstage is and how loud the sound can get without even cracking the drivers.
Testing the microphone of the Status Between Pro earbuds. Mic check, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Mic check, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3.
So as you just heard, I think these are not going to be good for calls at all if you're going to be in a very noisy environment. In quiet environments, however, it is passable at best, but while outdoors, it struggles a lot. Now, for your understanding how bad the call quality is, here is a snippet from the Beoplay EQ in a similar condition.
Testing the microphone of the Beoplay EQ. Mic check, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Mic check, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3.
So overall, I would say that sound-wise, Status Between Pro earbuds have definitely hit the mark. But certain omissions such as ANC, multi-point connectivity and a companion app does question its price point a little bit. But it does try to make up for that by having a killer battery life and good looks. If you compare them against the Beoplay EQ, then it's not going to be fair as it does cost almost 3 times more than the Between Pro earbuds. But in the $150 range, it is a compelling earbud for people who prioritize their sound quality more than anything else. But that's just me. Please let me know what your thoughts are on the comment section down below, and if you enjoyed watching this video, then please like, share and subscribe. This is Nafis signing off till next week. Peace.